It's easier than you think, and it takes less than 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create channel art for your YouTube channel using 4 easy steps, fast. Welcome back, Moghul Makers. I'm Raylan from MogulMakers.com, helping you to market, monetize, and mogul up. If this is your first time joining us, thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button below. I will put all of the links in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1, create your channel art template. Log into your YouTube channel. Mine is Moghul Makers. Go to Customize Channel right here on the right. Click on the pen on the right-hand corner of your banner. Click on Edit Channel Art. And all the way at the bottom, it says How to Create Channel Art. Scroll down to Image, Tips, and Guidelines. Click on Image, Size, and File Guidelines. Select Channel Art Templates and download it. Click on the download. Go all the way at the top. Double-click on Channel Art Fireworks. File. Save. And now we are going to go to Picmonkey. So we're at Picmonkey. Click on the top edit. Click on Channel Art Fireworks. Click Open. So here are the correct dimensions for your banner art. Step 2, create your banner art name. Go to the column on the left where it says text. Remember to have a bold and eye-catching font. So Picmonkey has fonts that you can select, or if you have fonts that you like on your computer, you can install those as well. I prefer Arial Black, so I will choose that. Add text. Type in your YouTube channel name. Mine is Moghul Makers. The design is completely up to you. Most people put their name, brand, or YouTube channel in the center. Highlight the text. Change the size here, change the box here, highlight it again, and you can choose whatever color you would like. I would like to go with purple. Place it into the center as much as possible. I put the text in the dark rectangle to make it visible for viewers. Also, I'm going to move it up a little bit. I'm going to add more text. Clicking Add Text again. I'm going to put in my slogan, using the same steps that we just used. And I would like to know, comment yes if you're ready to create a banner yourself. What I love about Picmonkey is how user-friendly it is and everything is customizable. There really is no end to creativity. Let me just adjust this as well. And I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller, as well as put it in the center. Great, now let's make this purple as well. Step 3, add your background and images. So we are going to go over to the left-hand column where it says graphics. It's the little butterfly icon. There are different shapes and images that you can choose from Picmonkey. A lot of them are free. You can also add your own from my computer. I would go to google.com or Pinterest to find wonderful, beautiful, free pictures. I click on the beach JPEG, click Open. You can adjust the size right over here, and we're going to bring it to the right-hand side, again in the dark rectangle. Go back to graphics and add as many as you would like. I'm clicking on beach again. Great, then I'm going to add one more. My computer, Raylan, Open. We're going to put this on the left. Next, we're going to go to the first icon, which says Basic Edits. Let's go to Canvas Color. Let's choose a color for the background. There are several different colors. Let's find one that looks good. You can also make it a little bit darker or make it lighter as well. When you're finished, click Apply. Picmonkey has all sorts of kinds of backgrounds. I like to keep mine simple to make the actual title pop, but you can create a nice image if you would like. When you're finished with that and you like what it looks like, go up to Export. Go to the left-hand side all the way on the green Export to Computer. Go up to the right and click Save. Step 4. Upload your beautiful channel art. Go to select a photo from your computer. Go to Channel Artworks JPEG and click Open. This is exactly what your banner art will look like when someone else looks on the laptop. on the TV if they so choose, or on their mobile. Be careful about the auto enhance feature. It doesn't make the picture aesthetically pleasing. I would skip that and hit the bottom left-hand corner, select. Right away you can see your new banner art, and it is saved so you don't have to do anything else. So now that you know how to create banner art for your YouTube channel, it's time for the question of the day, which is, what makes your YouTube channel unique? For example, do you use consistent branding, a logo? Do you have a unique niche or great thumbnails? Comment in the video below. We would love to hear from you. Be sure to check out all of the tools and resources I mentioned and join our 30-day challenge, which is how to create an online brand or business step by step. I will put all of the links in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable videos. I'll see you in the next video.